bend, so I cannot overtake. I have to stay slow. Distance. This is BAG, the police officers who check only the trucks and the load. This you can check the tachograph. Show if it's the right driving time, where I have some failed, where I have some wrong. This BAG in Germany, always they control all the trucks. Distance between cars, cars, only the trucks, and what is working with goods transport. So when I make an overtake here, because I don't know, I am too angry, I want to overtake. That BAG see me, they pull me over, and he make my driving license spent for 1 month and 2 points and €200 driving ticket. So it's better to respect. This is another car. It's police, but it's civil. They have a undercover car, and we check the traffic. So I have to keep the distance to don't overtake, not overtaking here, and this is all. Driving with 82 because first truck in the convoy is driving with 82, and then we have all to drive with 82. I have here 10 trucks, in the back of me it's another 20 driving with 82, 79. We have enough, we cannot overtake, we have to wait. When he's driving with 60 or 40, then maybe we have some excuse. If the police ask me why did you overtake, because he's driving too slow. Okay. At 80 we cannot make nothing. We have to stay. This is the toll collector for Germany. They collect the money for the road, for all the trucks. The money that this truck have to pay is set by the tonnage and the number of axles. So my truck have 4 axles now, and he pay for 100 kilometers 50 euro. When I have 5 axles, look here, the same BAG. They check the distance between the trucks, and when it's not right, they very fast come, stay in the front of me, and he pulled me over. You know, the track number, name, my address, and he sent me home the driving tickets and data when I have to give up to the police station where I'm living nearby. I have to give this driving license, and for how many time I have to let them. 1 month, 2 months. Because here in Germany the driving license is not banned immediately. I have something like termin. They give me some time. When you are for the first year of driving the truck and you make one mistake and you have to give the driving license back to the police for 1 month, you have 1 month to give. In 1 month you have to talk with your chef. I have a problem, I have to give the driving license, I cannot work from next month to, I don't know, 1 month. Talk to the bank, to the car insurance, to all. I cannot drive, I don't have to pay for this time. Okay, this is when you have 1 year. When you have 5 years, from 5 years the driving license, and you make one mistake, you have 2 months. For example, I have 10 years or more, and they give me 1 year. He tell me in 1 year, when I make I was speeding with my car. 1 month I have to. I was banned with my driving license in Germany, and he tell me, okay, you have 1 year. In this time, you have to manage with your company, with your home, household, and everything. In 1 month, you have to give the driving license to the police because you are banned 1 month, and you have to pay 500 euro and all. Okay, and 2 points because I was speeding with 150 with my private car on the speed limit 100, so I have 50 kilometers more, and they give me 2 points, 1 month driving license banned, and 500 euro driving ticket. Anyway, all this I was managed in 1 year because I have for many time this driving license. But when you are new, it's hardest. You have to give the driving license immediately. You have to pay more. You have double points. But when you have many years, then you have an excuse. You are a very old driver. You know how to do your work. Okay, we give you a little more time because maybe you don't want to make that mistake, and this is why. Bend is also here. Let me check the labels. meters, but here it's already overtaking overtaking them. And here I have a new signs, and he tell me in 300 meters. For 24 kilometers again. Okay. So I have to stay here. I hope you like my driving mode and stuff, what I'm doing. Please subscribe to my channel and give a like, and stay in touch with my content. Thank you.